Hi, my name is Sharon Lim. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator. I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com. And today we're going to do this lovely tile technique using the Snow Crystal stamp set and the Peaceful Moments for the sentiments. So let's get started. You're going to start with a card base that is measured 4 1/4 by 11, scored at 5 1/2. A piece of Tahitian Tide measuring 4 1/8 by 5 1/8, and a scored piece that is measuring 4 by 5, and you score it at every inch. So it looks like this initially. Then let's go ahead and layer these up. Fold that in half. I'm going to use my Stampin' Seal to do the first layer. I did it by 4 and by 5, the tile one, so the snowflake can actually be even. You won't have uneven lines. And I use the Stamparatus, and I marked where the card will actually go. Put a little temporary adhesive here. So you just stick it there, push it down a little bit. I'm going to ink up the snowflake. And it will precisely be there. I need a little bit more color there, so I'm just going to put a little more ink and gems. Press slightly. Looks great there. Take it off here. Move my Stamparatus. Bring this back in. And here. That on so it's framed by the Tahitian Tide here. Then I already stamped a happy birthday here, and I'm using the essential tag. Punching that out. I'm going to use a sponge dauber, give it a little dimension here. Just sponging the frame of it. Take a piece of 6-inch, any color ribbon will do. 2 loops, make a knot, and the key is to hold on to one of the loops to the length that you want it to be, and then you're going to tighten the other side. And that way you'll get a semi-even bow. Semi-even. So I'm going to cut off just a little bit of this. Put a little glue dot. Get that ready. Put some dimensionals on the back of this one. I'm big on using the leftovers from the dimensionals. They all stick, so angle it here, get my bow here, and there you go. Happy birthday, and thank you for a quick card. Thank you for letting me share this with you. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also find me on Instagram under Sharing It With You. Thanks, and have a great day. Bye.